In this short video, we're going to talk a bit about money management. So when trading, in particular traditional markets like currencies and indices, people usually say don't lose more than a couple of percent of your account per trade. And there's usually no backing up with numbers like why, for example, a certain number would be appropriate. But here, with the help of this Excel calculator, we're going to show you a little bit what are appropriate levels. So say that we're working with a trend following system, it's right 45% of the time and has an average profit that is 2 times the average loss. We're starting out with about $5,000 risk. What if we risk 10% of our money per trade here? Well, the risk of ruin, in this case, the risk of losing more than 50% of our money is actually up to 80%. What if we do 5% then? Well, the risk of ruin is still relatively high at an 84% likelihood. And this is after trading about 115 trades. How about we do 4%? Well, here, the likelihood of having a drawdown is substantially lower after a test of 843 trades. We do this again, still another 740 trades, no problem. And then on the third run, we did 190, almost 200 trades. We did run into problems. So ultimately here, if you trade long enough with a 4% risk, you will have that likelihood of having a drawdown of 50%. Okay, if we do 3%, we have the first run. The first run here is for about 1,200 trades. A second run seems to be about the same. Third run. So on the fourth run, or the third run here, we did actually run into problem again. So ultimately, if you do trade even with that amount of risk in the long run, you can run into problems. So how about 2% risk? Well, we managed the first run, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. So roughly speaking, and you see some of the trades here, or some of the series here are very long, 1,700, but let's keep it simple. Roughly, after 10,000 trades, risking 2% of your money with these characteristics, you will still be in play and you would not have suffered a 50% drawdown. And that's why a lot of people, a lot of professionals tend to gravitate towards not risking more than 2% of their account per trade.